Okay, good afternoon, y'all. Today I got a late start because I recorded my haul and it's late, but welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, your girl want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching all of my videos, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthrough, sip and chat, and following me on Instagram and using my hashtag or following my hashtag Kimble Lit Wicks or Kimble Lit Wick. You are my MVP, my MVP, my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Today is day 2 of semi-annual sale, and I'm just finna go and hit up a couple of the stores that I haven't went to yet. So that's what I'm gonna do. I forgot to put the key in the ignition, the car running, the alarm finna go off. But so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna go ahead and try some of those stores just to see what I can find. No, I'm not really looking for anything but the vanilla bean candle, which I don't think I'm gonna find. If I find it, I will be super happy, but I don't think I'm gonna find a candle. So I'm just gonna go and see exactly what they have, some of the good stuff, some of the 75% stuff, who knows. So I don't have any coupons, so you already know, 75% items only. So yeah, so let's head on over to the other stores just to see what they have. I don't know if I'm gonna hit up 2 stores or just 1. I'm not sure. Y'all will see when it happens. I have to charge this camera because it's almost dead. So let's head on over to the store. Okay, y'all, I think I want to take my lashes off. I like lashes, but I like them for the video, but as far as like daily, wearing them all day, every day, nah, I can't do it. I literally feel like I got something in my eyes. So I'm getting ready to pull these lashes off. So when y'all see me in the next few clips, no, I will not have these lashes on. So if y'all wonder why I look so different, that'll be the reason. I'm pulling my lashes off. And yes, I am driving and I'm gonna pull these things off at the next light. I'm listening to a book. I'm actually listening to the Will Smith book. I'm listening to Will Smith book. Hopefully I can see that. It's actually really good, but right now I'm gonna take these lashes off, and these suckers hurt. 1 and I'm gonna pull this other one off. Ooh, 2. I'm back. Yes. Done with the lashes. So I'm gonna run in Home Goods because I'm actually looking for a picture. Hopefully I can find the picture. I've been looking for weeks and I have not found this daggone picture yet. I should have bought it when I first seen it, but I didn't. So I'm hoping eventually they will get this picture in again. So we gonna see. So let's run it here real quick just to see what they have. Okay, now I'm at Bath & Body Works. Home Goods did not have the picture, so I just left out of there and went on over to Bath & Body Works. I'm looking for 75% items. That's it. I'm not gonna buy any 50% items because I do not have a coupon. I really wanted to get some of the honey wildflower, you know, like the candle, or maybe some of the body butter, but I did not find that in any of my stores. So I'm just looking around and see what I could see and see what I could find. This store was super packed. Oh my goodness, it was so hard to record in this store. But this whipped line, this coffee line tons and tons and tons of this stuff everywhere in all the stores. I really should have bought this honey lavender lotion, but y'all know I'm not really big on buying lotion. Wish they had it in a body wash. So I decided to just walk around. As y'all see, this is the same stuff at all the stores for the men collection. 50% off. I'm not sure when they're gonna mark this stuff to 75, because y'all see, it's not selling, it's not moving, it's just there. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen with that whole collection. I don't know. But keep in mind, this is only day 2 of the sale. So you never know, this stuff might sell out. You never know. I feel like this store had a really nice selection. As y'all see, they have a lot of stock, a lot of stuff that's marked 75% off. I'm not sure if it was just because it was so early, I don't know, but they were really stocked. They had a lot of 75% items. I was so happy to finally find these doggone candles. Oh my goodness, I was so happy. That's why I'm moving the camera everywhere, because I'm trying to hurry up and grab what I want, what I'm looking for, before anybody else notice that these candles is 75% off. Yes, they are the single wick, and I do like single wicks. This is the only time that I normally buy the single wicks, is when they're 75%. So yeah, I grabbed a few of those. This was the only store that had the vanilla mocha body care, I believe. And I think this is the only store that had that body scrub in it as well. So yeah, this store had a couple of nice items that a lot of my other stores did not even have. And Body Works, why did y'all do it to me? If that honey wildflower was 75%, I would have bought it. I done seen it at 2 different stores and it's 50%, so I passed it up. Again, the men's care collection, as y'all see, is fully stocked. Nobody is buying it at 50%. I honestly feel like they should just make the men's body care 75%, just to sell it, just so it can move. It's not selling at 50%. As y'all see, it looked like nobody even touched it. Now, I don't know if they just restocked it. I don't know. But it ain't moving.
Nobody want to claim the drink. Nobody wants to drink.
Nobody wanted to claim that drink. It was sitting on one of the tables and someone walked by and knocked it over and nobody wanted to claim it. So that was the whole thing behind that. That's why we were all laughing, because for some reason the drink belongs to no one. That was so funny. Okay, this is store number 3. I'm asking the lady, do she have sweet whiskey in the single wicks? And of course they don't. I like this store, but this store don't usually have anything. And at this store, they seem to hardly ever mark their candles down to 75% off. I don't know why, but they're kind of slow about doing it at this store. So I just kind of walked around. I really wasn't expecting to find anything at this store, but this is one of the stores that I save for last. This is my last store that I'll always go to because I already know the prices is going to be high and I'm not really gonna find anything. Yes, they are fully stocked on some items, but this is my least favorite store, and it has nothing to do with the people that work at the store, because they're really nice now. When I first started going, they wasn't so nice, but yes, they're really nice, but it's just that they are slow about marking some of their items down. You know, last year it was some items that were already marked to 75%, and they still had them at like 50%. And when I told the lady, she wasn't hearing it. So yeah, I usually save this store for last. These home decor items I really like. I really love the way this pampas grass look, as well as these oversized balloon vase. So nice, so nice. They were 50% off. I believe that pampas grass was like $14, I believe, and the vase were like $45. I really wanted to get it, and I'm still on the fence about getting these items, but I really don't have nowhere to put them. And I do feel like this is a good price, $45 for this item, and they're huge and heavy. I think it's a good price, but I just don't have nowhere to put it, so I left it. Now, if it's still there at 75%, I might buy it, but I don't think it'll be there. Y'all, I done hit 3 stores today. I got a feeling this video is gonna be super long, so I might have to do it in 2, show y'all my haul separate, because it's gonna be super long. I did find some goodies. I'm happy I did come out here. I came to some of the slower stores today, which I did find some of the stuff I was looking for. I'm super happy about that. But I think I'm gonna be done. I also got some gifts. You know, my sister's birthday is next month, so I decided to grab her some stuff. So yeah, I'm happy about that as well. That's probably most of the money that I spent trying to buy her some stuff for a birthday gift. So don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up. Leave me some comments at the bottom. Also, let me know, have you found any good items on day 2? Day 2 of the semi-annual sale. Leave that in the comments. I'm gonna head on back home because I'm still out and about, not even close to my area. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. And the camera is dead. So, all right. Peace.